Dun dun dun. Hello, welcome back to another resin video or another DIY, but this is a resin video. So we're gonna be making another resin canvas. So we got our fire glass, our what is that? White paint. We got our glitters, ton of glitters. We got our pigments and obviously our resin. And yeah, and that's basically all you're gonna need. So first thing first, I am painting my wooden canvas that I got from Amazon, white. No, there's no reason why. I just wanted it to be white. But I'm just painting it. I did 2 or 3 layers of the white. And then we're gonna get started. So it's fully dry. I put something underneath the bottom just in case. Well, not just in case. When the resin ran over, it would not be sticking to the plastic that's on the ground. So it gives like a little space in between of the canvas and of the trash bag that I placed down so that it does not mess up my carpet. So with the fire glass, I'm just placing it on the wooden canvas just to see what I would like, where I want it to be, how I want it to look. I'm just trying to get an idea out there before I start layering down the glitters and everything. I ended up not going with this design. Like at the last minute, I changed my mind and did something else. I really did something else. Like I added a little oomph onto it because I felt like if you needed something more. So yeah, just checking to see if it looks good. Maybe it needs to be bent a little, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. That was basically what's good in my mind. It took me like a good minute just trying to get an idea of what I wanted it to look like, and I still wasn't happy in the end. So yeah. That doesn't look bad, but I didn't like it, so maybe next time. So this is what I end up doing with it. So I did not show you, but I added a little resin on top of the fire glass. Now I'm just showing you guys my glitters that I already mixed up, about my pigment. So in the center of it, I'm just going to do 2 different type of glitter. So that's what I'm doing right here, just going around in a circle. This is my favorite glitter. It looks so pretty. Adding on their glitter. Okay, now it's time for the silver glitter. Just gonna be going around it and just going around the edge so that you could say you could what? I don't know. But I'm just going around the edge. Then I'm gonna start placing on whatever color I want. And then we're just gonna keep on going until we fill up the entire canvas. I don't know how to explain this, but it's like pretty self-explanatory. Explanatory? By the way, I mixed up way too much glitter. I started realizing it once I started to layer everything down. But I did not waste any. I got a different type of canvas and then I kind of made another one. It didn't look the exact same as this one, but it still looks cute and at least I didn't waste anything. Because this is technically like the 3rd canvas that I made so far because I'm still trying to get it right, but this one turned out pretty good, so I think I got it perfectly. So I did silver, I did the purple pigment, and now I'm doing the purple chunky glitter that I did in the center, and then the lighter glitter. Okay, so with whatever leftover resin that I have, it was already starting to harden. So I was just going back over it, adding on more layers on top of it, just so that I would not waste the resin. But I definitely mixed way too much. I don't know how that happened. I must not have been paying attention. So I got a smaller canvas and I just poured it on top, which I did not show you guys that process. I was recording that part for TikTok. So, but I'm still going to show you guys how it looks in like 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now, here's like a closer look of it. It looks so beautiful. Yeah. And it wasn't really a lot of resin that ran over to the side, so that was a good, that was a plus. So yeah. And you can see that I have a little bit of some resin left over. And I made this little cute little canvas. It is so adorable. I love them both. So yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so for the back of the glitter, to keep it standing, just like how I did with this one right here, I put the glitter at the bottom of that. So when I was trying to remove this glitter, it got stuck because obviously a lot of resin ran over and there's resin all underneath it. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to clean it up. I can just use the hot torch or use something to slide it down, but this, I don't know, I'm gonna get it off yet. But the glitter was on there like this and I was trying to remove it, and now the glitter just spilled all over the place. So yeah, that's what happens with that. And also this is how this one looks. Looks kind of pretty like this. This is so wasteful. I haven't even used the glitter yet. And it's on my carpet again for the 15th time. This is kind of heavy, but it is beautiful. I do need to go over it again with some top coat glitter. I can just leave it like it is. I don't know, it looks good. So yeah. So this is the end of the video. This is how it turned out. I placed it in my bathroom because I kind of do have a purple theme going on in there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. By the way, I made like 3 more of these. Some turned out good, some turned out not well. I don't know why I'm posting this one, but this one's kind of like my favorite, so why not put it out there first? Alright, bye. And this is how it looks with the lights off. It is so gorgeous. Look at all that glitter. It's perfect. I absolutely love it.